Good Wednesday afternoon. This is the 2 o'clock update with what has just become Hurricane Dorian. It's not much of a Category 1 hurricane, just barely enough. 75 mile per hour sustained winds, but it is looking like it is a hurricane. That structure, starting that nice core of those reds, those blacks, those purples. That is the storm in the core of it, kind of intensifying as it moves just to the east of Puerto Rico. It is forecast to remain a Category 1 hurricane for at least the next day. And then as it heads our direction this weekend into Sunday and Monday, it turns into a major hurricane, a Category 3 hurricane. Forecast right now of 115 miles per hour just before it may make landfall. Somewhere from as far north as South Carolina to as far south as right near Miami. However, it's possible this thing gets to a Category 4 hurricane, rule out a Category 5. This doesn't have a whole lot to stop it. It's just going to be dealing with some warm waters and really just a hospitable environment. We'll just leave it at that overall. Now, coastal Georgia, the peninsula of Florida, obviously, you need to begin to prepare for this, especially a Category 3 hurricane that can cause devastating effects wherever it does make landfall. Tropical storm force winds, which are about 39 miles per hour or greater, will begin to impact the peninsula of Florida on the Atlantic side and then up to Georgia as early as Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon. Saturday morning for the Florida Peninsula and Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening for coastal Georgia. And then it may make landfall beginning on Monday, kind of a Sunday night into Monday. The best chance, at least right now, in terms of coastal Georgia for impacts is going to be Brunswick. The closer you get to Florida, it looks like you have the best chance of seeing damage from this tropical system. We'll put out updates every 3 hours, and we'll be sure to keep you updated online and on air.